Good morning, everybody. I'm on vacation. 3 weeks off from the fire department. Been hanging out, doing farm stuff, working on bikes. This is Canton the dog. She's a good dog. Let's go see what's going on the farm. So we walk through the farm here to the back. Back past the horse stalls and all this tack. Uh-oh. Somebody's up. Here we have ducks. Try as I might, I cannot make them be my friends. I feed them, I pet them, I talk to them, I give them little kisses. They don't want nothing to do with me. I make little barns for them. I put crows up and owls to protect them. I give them ponds. They even have a lava rock filter for their pond. I have a house where they eat. And a chimney. They will not love me. It's a tragedy is what it is. The chickens love me. They love me very much. We have a bunch of hens and 2 roosters. That's a silky. He doesn't grow normal feathers. These are red sex-links. This one is Edith Wilson. Shh. That one is Betty Ford. That one there is Jacqueline Onassis. And this is Martha Washington. Martha Washington is a rooster, but we're not naming her George. She is staying Martha. Monica's in here somewhere. Who remembers Monica, really? They're very well behaved chickens. My chickens are farmers too. This is barley. They walk around on it and poop on it, and when it gets long enough it pulls through and then they eat the barley. They like that a lot. Here's the horses. This is Cass. She's my wife's horse. She's very nice and she's a walking horse. But she's definitely alpha and she puts the boys in their place. Look at that. Yep. This one's Andy. He's on the mend. He's got an ankle problem. He and Cass don't get along too good. But they love each other. They're family. See him following me? Cass, you behave yourself now. This one over here is my horse. This is Willie Nelson. He's still kind of shy. We're teaching him some stuff and putting some meat on him. He was a rescue. The other 2 we got at auction. You be nice. You're a very nice horse. She's very pretty. Aren't you pretty? They have all this and all back there to roam and they love it. Our farm is in mourning right now, so we just had to bury Stormy. He was our 3-year-old mini horse, and he died of an intestinal torsion just a couple days ago. He's under there somewhere. Small orchard here. Plums, pears, and apples. Put them in this year. Just little guys so far. Cantaloupes are going crazy. The watermelons have some catching up to do. Thing that grows best on my farm is poison ivy. Still doing machine stuff. This is the 3-wheeler and the John Deere. I got the bobber back there that's getting dusty. It needs to be refreshed and then I'm going to sell it. But the 3-wheeler here and the Honda 4Trax 4-wheeler are both used for farm chores. Pulling aerators, going up and down and visiting the neighbors, manure spreaders, stuff like that. Hitch it up to the back here and pull this stuff all over the place. It's just a 2-wheel drive, so I don't go crazy on it. It's fun. That's our horse trailer. Usually my Madura lives in the horse trailer because we don't have a garage. Right now though, Madura's getting a little soggy in the barn with no roof. Because we're using the horse trailer to move horses around. But he'll go back out today probably. 99 Suzuki Bandit looking really sharp. The only problem with it was that the key, where did I put that key? The key, this is the spare. The dude broke the key off in the ignition. So he put this little toggle switch in and then the toggle switch failed and he was like, well fuck it. So, I had the spare key, that was in the gas tank when he sold it to me, just like that. Take tweezers, pull this out. Now this works just like it should. Well, more or less. I gotta oil it up. But there we go. So I gotta go in there, delete that, reconnect the wires, maybe do some card work because it's been sitting for 6 months. Fire it up, we're out of here. 300 bucks. Kawasaki Vulcan 750. Very nice paint. Needs a gas tank cap and carburetor work. Oh, you can tell because this is seized up. Gross. The rest of it's in good shape though, except for these. Get it going. CB350. This is like a Nighthawk 450 or something. I don't know. Just a junker beater. It'll run good though. I'll get it going. Get a new seat cover on it. I have the side panels. Seat cover side panels. Pull off all those stickers. Put some rattle can black on it. We're in good shape. Yamaha Radian. Very, very nice bike. But it won't behave. Put it back here because I was frustrated. Somebody painted a mural on it. It's cool. Enduro's got to get dusted off. And there's 2 bikes in here that need to be assembled. No title on this Yamaha sport bike. It's like a 2000 YZX 600 or something like that. Trying to figure out what to do with it. I got it for free, so you know, maybe a frame swap. Maybe part it out. 2 more 3-wheelers. This one just needs some reassembly. I built it up from parts and just needs a little bit more work. That one over there lost its spark over the winter. Not that big of a deal. 750 Katana. This one's not bad either. This one will run again. Just put that seat cover on it. Let me slick. It's a good bike. Well, folks, thanks for walking around the farm with me. Stay tuned for more videos, I hope.